Am I the biggest Barbie or?
She a 10.
Bestie's makeup. What's good, YouTube? And hello to my dolls. Looking man. No, but today, well, right now I'm on my way to my hair appointment to get my wig installed that I showed y'all in the, I want to say that was the last video. I'm on my way there right now. It is 8:24. Appointment's at 9. It was 45 minutes away, so that's what I'm doing right now. I also got some stuff packed in my car so I could take some stuff home, so I won't be having to take all this stuff at once. So that's what I'm doing right now. And basically what this video is gonna be is basically like a maintenance day or a glow up with me, Glorilla. Y'all better be lucky I'm in this car. But it's gonna be like a maintenance day or like a glow up video with me for the Griffin Awards ceremony thing. I still ain't tried my dress on that I ordered for Shein, so I really don't know how, if it fit or if it fit good or what. So that's gonna be a surprise, but everything is better when you try it on with your hair done anyway. So that's what I'm gonna do whenever I get back to my dorm. I don't want to tell y'all everything because y'all need to watch the video. If I tell y'all everything, then y'all not gonna watch the video, but y'all are gonna watch the video because y'all want to see me when I get my hair done and everything else. But yep, so I'm gonna get back on here when my hair is done and I'm not looking like this. This top is cute too, y'all. It's like long sleeve, but it's also cropped, you know, and it's real cute for the girls. Okay, I'm gonna get back with y'all when my hair is done. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because don't be watching my stuff and you not subscribed. That give me real hating vibes, like for real. Okay, y'all, so not too long ago I just finished getting my hair done, as y'all can see. Cute. I don't know if I should have got this right here or not. Like, should I have got it put up? Imagine. But I don't know. Yeah, I just got my hair done a few minutes ago. Now I am at Slim Chickens. I'm at Slim Chickens finna eat because I'm hungry AF. And I'm waiting here because I'm trying to decide, like, am I gonna get my lashes done at the time that I booked, or is it getting pushed back? She haven't let me know yet, because I was supposed to go at 1. It's 12:05 right now, but I just stopped to get something to eat. But I was supposed to go at 1. She asked me can I come at 2, but like I'm already out this way, so like that's what I told her. So I'm trying to see is she gonna still let me come at the time, or it's just like no possible way I can come. Are y'all feeling the hair or what? Do y'all like it? Am I the biggest Barbie or? I mean, I'm gonna stay the biggest Barbie, but I'm gonna let y'all tell me if I'm the biggest Barbie. If y'all say yeah, y'all can get a few dollars or something. Y'all, the hairstylist is in the building. She is doing our hair. I haven't talked to them since my lash appointment got canceled. Oh, you mad? All right, son? Already on 10, I want to come in. I'm feeling go out. This feeling don't drought this. Would you still? If I'm out of my mind, then where would you still? Okay, Nails. Okay, Nails. Keep it at home, 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. Okay, and then we got this chick, y'all. Period. Look at her hair. Bend down. You a little tall now. The crisscross is cute. Period. And she going to get her nails done, so don't play with her. She not one of them. She getting black French tips.
Well, she's lying.
Yes, you are. Gorilla. Into my bestie's makeup. Oh. Look at my other pretty friend. Oh.
Boy, if you don't
Now, oh, hold up a minute. Wait a minute. Finna get my hair curled for the girls. Curls for the girls. This shit gets serious around here. Oh, I like your makeup. Never seen your makeup before.
Thank you. I had it last year. I just didn't like that shit. I wiped some of it out.
Okay, y'all. Ew. But I just remember I did not update y'all on why my... Okay, so when I told y'all I was going to get my lashes done, and I was told y'all that she was trying to get me to come later than my original appointment, because I booked the appointment, paid deposit and everything. Y'all know how that go with the businesses and everything like that. So, mind you, I text her and I'm like, is there any way I can still come at my set time? But she had never texted back, so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go at the time that she said. So I get there at 2 o'clock, right? Get there and she canceled my appointment, like just canceled the whole thing, talking about she ain't got enough time, and like she would keep having to keep pushing her other appointments back. So she just gave me my deposit. But like, okay, she gave my deposit, that's good, but like at the same time I had booked the appointment, so I feel like I should still been able to get it done regardless of the situation. When it really wasn't no big situation, I guess she just didn't have, like, she didn't want to keep pushing other ones back. I don't know. But to say that, I can never get my eyebrow, I mean not my eyebrows, my hair and my lashes done on the same day. If I book it, I can, like, it never falls through. Like, so I'm just gonna start booking my done separately, like different days, because this not finna keep happening to me.
Take stress out, cause my link up. I'm holding out, I ain't freezing out. I took all the L, still ain't giving up. But I get this shit out through here and I ain't giving nothing. She say hey to me, I say why going.
Fit check makeup. What that is on there?
You know.
Okay. The biggest.
The cleanup.
Sheesh. That girl got. Okay, details.
Wait,
tell me what you got on
The
for.
light gonna stop.
Girl got on the. Okay, chill. My girl Amy. Okay, dude. Okay. Y'all check out the girl. She eat. Okay, check her shoes.
Ooh, she a 10. Rated bag back. Ooh, bag back.
Sydney, congratulations. I've been instructed by Coach Cameron. That's all my questions.
We move to our next student athlete of the year nominee. She's just the second Griffin from women's basketball to be named MIAA Defensive Player of the Year in program history. A two-time All-MIAA second team member and an honoree of the MIAA Academic Honor Roll. Connie Clark is just as clutch on the court as in the
Clark went on to average 14.5 points, nearly 9 rebounds a game this season, even earning MIAA Defensive Player of the Year.
It's easy because you are clutch and you proved it time in and time out. The second ever MIAA Defensive Player of the Year, first in 18 seasons. Just how can you summarize this season for yourself? Coach Whitaker, the last couple seasons now, just been a blessing to watch her play.
Absolutely. I mean, I think our fans love how much energy she brings. Our team loves how much energy she brings every day. And You know, we're
Winner holds a 4.0 GPA and is receiving her degree in conversion, journalism, and public relations this week. We congratulate this year's James J. McMillan Award winner from Griffin Women's Basketball, Trinity Knapp. From Griffin Women's Basketball, all MIAA first team, Bree on the budgets.
Yeah, Bree!
Also from Griffin Women's Basketball, the MIAA Defensive Player of the Year, Connie Clark.
Yeah, Con! Period.
Boy, if you don't get
Beautiful! Woo!
Hold on.
What she said, fool?
You got your turn.
Must be hurt. Why you peppers fire?
Just got my comb.
Let me see you walk. Walk. Walk.
Yeah.
The biggest Barbie.
Looking
And this girl just got done crying. Ha.
Where my phone? You put my phone in the trunk.
Now we got the
Be fucking for real. Pull up.
drink,
Headshots.
drink,
Sit down.
drink,
Stand up.
eat.
Hungry. Stand up.
Okay, this is the end of that video. Hope y'all enjoy my video, little vloggy vlog. Say it.
See you in the next.
Vloggy vlog.
See you in the next.
Vloggy vlog.
See you in the next.
And make sure y'all tell your auntie to tell her baby daddy, to tell her best friend, to tell her grandpa, to tell her husband, to tell her auntie, to tell her
Mama
cousin.
backing up for you, baby. What she gonna want me?
What? That was so sassy.
I don't know. You just GPS.
Mom,
Put the house in the GPS.
Mom, make sure you subscribe to my channel and tell nephew to subscribe to my channel and make sure y'all run up them views.
Look how she. Okay. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Okay.
backing up?
See y'all in the next video.
Backing up.